Right, last of my Harriers I've got to show. This is, I believe, a Mark GR9. It's either a 7 or a 9, I can't remember. But as you can see, the change now. This is what you derived originally from the Americans' improvements, where they changed it to the AV8B, the bigger wing, and the different radars and everything, and vast improvement to the original Harrier. Say improvement, an upgrade really. You can do more things, and you've got the little shoulder stuff there. I don't even know what half of this is called anymore. The refinement of the refueling probe being folded in rather than sticking out at an angle like a afterthought. Got extra hard points, and slightly different wing design. This is an Airfix kit, and the main problem I think with this is that you can't see it on the screen, but there's a seam down the middle of that canopy, quite a ridge, from some sort of moulding floor, but I didn't want to sand it down too much in case I made it worse for myself. Maybe in the future, if I can get all the chemicals to polish it out after sanding it down, I'll try that, but for now I'll leave it be. And as on a lot of the kits, you got the weather vane, as it were, so when you're in hover you can see any crosswinds, because unlike most airplanes, you can turn sideways, go back and forth, full helicopter action. Unfortunately, again, on this particular kit, I lost the front headlight to the carpet monster, or the cheap vinyl flooring monster in my case. It falls off, it's clear, it's about 1.5 millimeters across. But what I did, I filled the hole with a bit of clear sprue from the cockpit, and then since then I used some white glue to fill in the hole. It doesn't quite do the job, but it takes it up a notch rather than just having a blob of plastic in there. So it's a fake front, and the advantage with white glue, it dries clear. So if you ever want to, some people use it for small windows instead of plastic, and that's one special thing about that. I used some pastel dust to make the smoke effect coming out of wherever these are. Of course the engine is underneath here, so there's some sort of engine vent. Underneath you've got a nice deep wheel well. Airfix will learn to do that now, like the Italorite kit. Slightly redesign of the nozzles and the various pods and on the hard points and the aerodynamics here. There's option to have this rocket pod container with or without the front, so I put one with and one without, pretending that it used that one and didn't use that one. So there we are. It's part of its imagination. But the main thing of this kit is that it's based on a real aircraft I've seen. This SH Roundel M is a special paint scheme, and I saw this arrive at the Royal International Air Tattoo back probably about 10-12 years ago now, because time is gone, and I've got a photograph of it somewhere. If I had a proper editing software I'd cut to a picture of that, but I don't. Maybe I'll upgrade one day and do that, but yeah, it's one of my models based on an aircraft I've seen, and by this time I think they were using these to supplement the Royal Navy. So ZD327 this is. And there we are, that's the last of my built Harrier kits. I've got other kits, but I haven't built them yet. Hope you like it. I do.